Hello everyone. We have introduced a new feature of creating a credit note and debit note without adding any items and with only extra charges added to the document. So let me show you how it works. So for that, first we have to go to all modules, sales and purchase, creating an invoice, direct invoice document. So adding all the details and adding the item line. So I'm saving this document. So first I have created a tax invoice and I'm saving this. So after this, I'm creating a credit note for this particular tax invoice. Create CN. So here you don't want to mention any quantity that you have to create a credit note. You can leave the quantity column as 0, and in extra charges you can add any charges for it. Like you can mention any return charges or something. You can add the description and directly you can have the total and a tax amount for that particular total amount, and you can save it. So the document will ask whether all item quantity is 0 or you sure you want to proceed it. We can give yes and we can save the particular document. So here in this file you can see only the extra charges description has been added with the taxable amount and the tax percentage. So this is how the feature works. I hope this particular feature finds helpful for you. Thank you.